I brushed my teeth there!
What? Ah!
They turned left!
Gosh!
We're just kids!
Just calm down!
Ah, they have phantoms! Liv, I'm trying!
Faster!
But this place too big!
Teamwork!
Swizz, no help! Ah!
What a catastrophe. The houses do leave cookies out.
They do? Where's Santa? Oh my gosh!
The inferno was left on.
Homes are waking up without presents this morning as Santa's sleigh was found abandoned on the roof of these Virginia locals. Neighbors have reported reindeer in gardens and that smoke was detected
torched
from
the fat man.
as early as 2 a.m. local time. Law enforcement and other local
Hammy,
authorities
get
have been
inside!
notified as this is now being treated as a homicide investigation.
What do we do?
Stay locked on
Tell them we're
84 for up
Jewish.
to the minute breaking
They'll
details of
understand.
this four-
Wait, is this play about us?
Get rope! Okay. Oh, no! That's our Christmas tree! Hey, look, Dad! Hey, guys! We got you a gift! Oh, okay, that's nice. Wait up, guys! Do you like it? I love it. It's our fruit! Thanks, guys. Subscribe, friends! Thanks, Olivia. It'd also be great if they... Comment! Are we missing anything else, Hammy? Like it, guys! You guys have to share! What? Santa's watching!
Hamilton,
Santa?
you need to deliver this year's presents.
Okay! Tricky. Ham, hey guys! How are you gonna get around the world in a single night? I don't know! So funny. Who took down my Christmas lights? You!
Ow!
He doesn't know that! I'm gonna kill you. Run for your life!
Samba?
I can't! In here!
Okay. Samba?
Gosh!
Okay.
Wait! Did Santa not come? Hey! Oh! Look out! Get down! Whoa! Send for him! Go get it! Okay! You guys! What's wrong, Dad? Santa has COVID! How can we help? You have to get around the world in a single night! Yeah, Dad, sure, right! How? You need Santa's secret stuff! What's wrong? Godspeed, Corgi Claws. Oh boy! What's that? A Chinese pet! You mean she a pet, Ham? Oh, okay! If you take care of it and help it grow, we can talk about getting you a real pet. That's a bush! I love my bush! Take care of it, okay, Hammy? Yeah! Good luck! Corgi debate, Elf or Home Alone? Home Alone, Dad! It's your turn, Hamilton. Elf? You don't sound sure. Yeah! Elf, Dad! Round 2, candy canes or gingerbread? Gingerbread? Yeah! You're up, Liv. Candy canes! They're sugar. So? Round 3, eggnog or cider? Egg what? Liv? What the? Is Santa here? What's that? Go get him! Okay! Hey, just stop! Let me see! Hey, elves! Hey, what? Dad! Where's my pony? I don't know where it is, Ham. Where I don't know where it could be.
This pony! This one here! It's mine now!
You're the